Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be slaying this beautiful 12-inch bob. She does come courtesy of Sunber hair, and I'm going to go ahead and do a start to finish install. You guys know we love to keep it beginner friendly on this channel, and the key is, the beauty of this one is we're going to do the install together, but the actual ends of the hair, the nice body, the bounce, the curls, and everything that we have going was provided by them. The curl, the wave, none of this we have to do ourselves. We're gonna just cut the lace, install, add a little 1-2 here and here, put a little bit of concealer in the parting, and we are gonna be good to go. So if you wanna see how I got this look, of course you can keep on watching. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Now let's jump right into it. So this is a look at my hair as of late. You guys know I've been dealing with some issues since I had that Rona. My hair fell out crazy, so I've been wearing it in some straight backs and keeping it kind of moisturized, and also taking my hair vitamins, which I've been testing some out for Bedeck.com. Also, while I run my mouth, you can see the look at the inside construction of the cap and also what the wig looks like on. It is set as a side part. I did remove a little bit of the excess lace just so that I can see because it was a little long. Now I'm going in and I'm cutting off all excess lace around the ear. You definitely don't, there is absolutely, positively, undoubtedly no reason to leave that there. It's just there so that, like, if your head is like way wider and way bigger than mine, you can still wear this wig and it'll still fit you too. Now I've decided to just go ahead and remove all of the lace. Now I know you wonder why I do it in steps. I'm honestly a creature of habit, also very indecisive. So sometimes I'll cut off the ear tabs first and then decide to go in and tweeze the hairline to make it a little bit thinner. In this case, I didn't see a need to. We are going for a deep side part. So the center, the side, all the way to the right side is all going to be covered. So I'm going to finesse with a little bit of a little baby hair on the side. You'll see not a whole lot of baby hair, but just enough so that you don't need to go in and pluck the hairline and it'll look like you did. As I speak, we are going in with a glueless install. I took my bed head adhesive and I just applied it along the center, covered the hairline with the lace, and then I went in and blow dried on a cool setting until it became completely dry. And then I repeated that step on both sides. Now that we are done, let's go ahead and stamp out our parting. As I mentioned on the website, it is set as a side part, so I just felt like the cut and everything was going to work best with a side part. I think I made mine a lot more deep. As you guys can see, I keep using my fingers to feel on the wig, and I'm kind of feeling where the tracks start so that I can know how deep I can go. And I kind of wanted to just make sure that the lace is covered. Now I'm going to take this wax from Bedeck.com and we're going to just go ahead and sleek it out. I want to make sure it's smooth and everything is flat and, you know, frizz free. So I paired this with the electric hot comb and it is a great combo. I like to have my electric hot comb on about 450. Although it goes up to 500 degrees, I feel like that sometimes is a little bit too hot, especially when the wig is on your head. So proceed with caution when purchasing. This electric hot comb does come from my website, Bedeck.com. You can find it linked in the description box, as well as some of the products that I have been using tonight or today. Now we've gotten that side done, let's repeat that step along the remainder of the hairline, just because even though I'm going to cover the side, you kind of just want to make sure everything looks good. You know, you kind of like will be laughing and kikiing and talking and forgetting and like flip that hair back thinking you're cute and it looks crazy on the opposite side. We can't have that. So we want to complete the install and not do too much finessing and make sure that everything is unclockable. Get a load of how, as I do so many heat passes along the hairline, how well that lace begins to melt and flatten and everything looks like it's coming out of the scalp. Now that's all the hot tools we're going to use for today, which is a bonus. We don't have to go in and spend minutes, hours curling our hair. The curling process is done, and you'll see how it's going to come together in just a moment. As I mentioned, I did not tweeze out the hairline, so I did go in and just make a little tiny thin little swoop right here. This is going to act as baby hair. It also acts as a transition from one side to the opposite side of that parting. And I'm also going to stamp out some sideburns using our edge control. As mentioned, you can find this wig in the description box. It is a beautiful bob that comes in 12, 14, and 16 inches. To set it off, I'm going to add my Fenty concealer to the parting. This is just going to help the parting to just, be a little bit more defined. If this color is too light or you just don't like the way the concealer looks, you can opt for a darker color. Something more subtle like a contour powder will also work. Or, you can leave it as is, or you can use a lace tint, or you can use your foundation. There are so many different options that you can use. This is just what I use and what works best for me, and I love that it's semi-permanent, so it'll rub off in about 2 or 3 days. I'll have to reapply it either way. I'm going to finish up with that last sideburn on the opposite side, and then kind of just mold the hair how I want it to sit, kind of twisting that feather so that it'll lock in and stay how I like it. And that's pretty much it. Okay, love bugs, we are done with this look, and I am thinking that I look very fly, very mature. I actually love this one. It's a little bit different for me, and I'm happy about it because you guys know I've been trying to switch up my looks, and the fun part, or the icing on the cake, is really with the curl and the style. I literally had to do nothing. Not only did I not have to do anything, I didn't want to mess up how beautiful the curl, the wave, the body of this one was. As I mentioned, she did come from Sunber hair, and I'm gonna show you the goodies they provided. Inside you have a dust bag, and this is the dust bag here. It just has their logo on it, and it's pink. And then they give you a mesh bag with some goodies. I'm really feeling this, y'all. I wish I had to wear this one for Valentine's Day. I was gonna pick this one for what I was gonna wear on Valentine's Day, and I wasn't quite sure how it was gonna look on, and so I chose another one, but I kind of regret it. This one would have been so fire with the pink robe that I wore from Hanifa. These are the lashes, and then they give you a pack of wig caps, a pack of clips. I actually like the white ones the best. And then this orange scarf. I just bought some sandals that will work perfect for this. So I'm going to put this to the side because this is fire. Okay, as far as the hair goes, as I mentioned, this is a bob. They offered me this one in 12 inches and 16 inches, and I definitely went for the 12. The 16 inch would have been a little bit longer than a bob, more like a shortcut. Face ID is like, who are you? It's not picking me up. But this is the wig here according to them. It's set as a side part, and as you guys see, it came with this curl. I love when a curl comes with actual definition and you don't have to do much. You guys know I love a little bit of baby hair, so I did put a little piece here, and honestly I like that I did that because you guys know a lot of us have a little bit of a soft spot at our temple, and it kind of mimics that where it looks a little bit thin. Even though I didn't plug or tweeze anything out, you can definitely do so if that is your vibe. Let's see if we can figure out so this one is the new, oh, pop up. So this one is a new wave short bob lace front wig. It's 180% density virgin human hair. They do have, it looks like some offers, so you can definitely get some money off. So don't forget to check the description box for that on your way out. She comes in 12, 14, and 16. As I mentioned, this is the 12, which I think is perfect because with the curl, it sits right at the shoulder, a little bit lower, but nice and comfortable. 14 probably would go here, and then 16 would be like, like if you have a bob and it kind of like starts to grow out. All of them will look fly. I think I'm going to enjoy this one for the weekend. My girls start gymnastics tomorrow, so it's gonna be fun. I'm definitely gonna do my makeup and make sure my hair is cute because I have two styles, two vibes these days. I either look homeless, which as you guys can see, I'm in this super big t-shirt. I bought a bunch of big t-shirts, and I've been in big t-shirts and leggings for like the last couple weeks. So I feel like let's do some makeup and stuff because first impressions are everything and I want them to know that my girls are that ish. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Be sure to check the description box for a direct link to this wig, and if there are any coupon codes, I'll definitely leave those as well. You can also find lists and links of everything we used. You already know Bedeck Beauty is my brand, and I have all of the products from our line in the description box linked for you guys as well. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have a giveaway coming up soon. Haven't done one in quite some time, so I'm kind of embarrassed about that. Sometimes I just don't know how to go about it. I've been so used to not having comments that even though they've been back for some time now, I don't know, forget. So I'm gonna have a contest coming up for you guys soon. You guys definitely deserve it the way you guys hold it down over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your post notifications. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.